Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VBIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's very, very brutal day, I'm just going to go ahead and delete these lines out. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. But what I do want to do also, because I get it, it's hard to see what's going on because of the formatting of just how big, down the gap was. So I'm going to move this way over here just so we can see a little bit easier the key levels to watch going forward. And the initial level that a lot of people will be watching and paying attention to is that pink line right there, which on my chart happens to denote the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, which is currently valued at $1.10. So $1.10 definitely going to be a very important level of support going forward. If that level does not hold up, so if the price goes down there, visits it, and then, the price falls below it. I mean, no such thing as a guarantee, but at that point, would not be shocking at all to see the price drift down to $1.05 and potentially even drop lower than that. But as of right now, so far so good. The price is maintained up above that 200 period, so that's certainly going to be the preferable area to watch going into not necessarily just Thursday, but the foreseeable future. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, main level to watch going into Thursday going to be right up there at the $1.16 level. So $1.16 going to be the first key level to watch, and that's essentially where the price essentially just consolidated slightly below there all day long. So some very well-defined areas, meaning this is not some sort of great discovery on my part to be throwing that line right there. A lot of people are going to be watching that level and wondering the same thing, including those breakout players. And when a lot of people are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's, one of those levels right here that, like I said, could very well create a nice self-fulfilling prophecy to a breakout to the upside. But first, the price has got to get up there and push through it. But keep your eye on these levels going forward, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.